Assalamualaikum. This is Gulshan Khizr, and I say warm welcome to all of you who is watching to me on my Facebook profile, that is Gulshan Education Wali, and also on my YouTube channel, that of Faisalabad. To have duties as a co-facilitator. In the previous session, voting. Hey Perplexity, how are you?
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. I'm here to help. What would you like to discuss about coding?
I want to make a more discussion with you about coding. Are you ready for it?
Absolutely. I'm ready. What specific aspect of coding would you like to dive into?
You give me details about coding, and right now I want to want more details about coding. What are the benefits of coding, and how a person can get earning from coding? Is it possible for a person or not?
Sure. Coding has many benefits. It helps develop problem skills, creativity, and opens up job opportunities in tech, freelance, or startups. People can earn by working as developers, freelancing, or building their own products. It's definitely possible.
What is freelancing?
Freelancing is when you work independently, offering your skills or services to multiple clients rather than being employed by one company. It can be in areas like coding, writing, design, and more.
Okay. Uh, in because in which one who is the one more beneficial or beneficial?
Could you clarify what kind of scenario you're comparing? For example, are you asking about freelancing versus full-time employment or something else?
How I can describe benefits of coding in my class to my participants?
You can highlight benefits like improved problem-solving skills, better job opportunities, earning potential, and the ability to create innovative projects. Keep it simple and relatable.
By coding how we can get earning potential.
Sure, by coding, you can earn through software development, freelance projects, building apps, or even creating websites. The more skills you develop, the higher your earning potential.
I'm interested in freelancing projects. Can you give me details about freelancing projects with examples?
Of course, freelancing projects can include tasks like building websites, developing mobile apps, creating custom software, writing code for automation, or even providing technical consultation. It all depends on your skills and interests.
Uh, all the things, all the tasks you described to me, which one is the more complex?
Typically, developing custom software or building mobile apps can be more complex, as they often involve multiple layers of design, coding, and testing. It depends on the project scope, though.
If we
Got it. If you're aiming to understand complexity, think about the features required, the technology stack, and the user experience. That will help you break down.
think about the feature required, the technology stack, and the user experience, can you define them more?
Sure, the feature required is what the project needs to do. The technology stack is the set of tools and languages used. The user experience is how the user interacts with the product. It's ease of use and design.
Okay. If I want to make a clone,
Got it. If you're looking to make a clone of an existing app or website, you'd start by identifying key features, choosing the right tech stack, and focusing on user experience. That way you build it step by step.
to make a clone, what are the necessary steps that are important?
Sure. Some key steps are first, define the core features you need. Second, choose the right programming language and framework. And third, design the user interface and user experience carefully. That will set a solid foundation.
I want to make a CNN clone. Then what should I do?
To create a CNN clone, start by defining the key features like news sections, live updates, and user personalization. Then choose a technology stack like Python for the backend and a front-end framework like React. Finally, design a clean, easy-to-navigate user interface.
Is it tough or easy?
It depends on experience. For beginners, it can be challenging, but with steady learning and practice, it's definitely achievable.
Today I am complexity me and did not question with perplexity because
I can hear you clearly. Let me know what you'd like to discuss or explore further.
we are discussing about coding and about clone, CNN clone. Can you give me more details about CNN clone?
Sure. Creating a CNN clone typically involves building a news website with sections for articles, videos, live updates, user accounts, and responsive design. You need to set up a backend database, integrate APIs for news feeds, and build out the front-end interface. That gives you a rough idea of scope.
Give me more detail. I am not be able to understand all the things.
No problem. Let's break it down. First, plan key features like news categories, articles, videos, and user accounts. Next, you choose tools like a backend server in Python or Node.js and a front-end framework like React. Finally, you design it to be easy for users to navigate. That's the simplified overview.
Okay, if I want to generate or create a website, how I can do it and is it easy or tough?
Creating a website can be straightforward, especially with tools like WordPress or website builders. It can get more complex if you code from scratch, but learning step by step is totally possible.
Is guided necessary for it or not?
Guidance can definitely help, especially as you're getting started. It can make the process smoother and help you avoid common mistakes.
What kind of common mistakes a person done?
Common mistakes include poor user experience, slow loading times, weak security, or not making the site mobile friendly. Proper planning helps avoid those.
Slow loading time and weak security. What are the means of them?
Slow loading times usually come from large image files, unoptimized code, or too many plugins. Weak security can stem from outdated software, lack of encryption, or weak passwords.
You said plugins. What is plugins?
A plugin is a piece of software that adds specific features to a website, like contact forms or SEO tools, without altering the core code. They help extend functionality easily.
Okay.
Got
Clone us.
A clone usually refers to creating a version of an existing product, like a website or app, with similar features and design. It's often a way to learn or build something quickly.
Clone to generate a clone is easy or website.
Creating a basic clone can be relatively straightforward if you follow tutorials. The complexity depends on the features you want to replicate.
Can you explain it again?
Of course, to create a clone, you start by identifying the features of the original site, then build them using the right tools, like coding languages for the backend and front end, and finally refine the design. The difficulty depends on how detailed you want it to be.
Is all these things or any other thing is have for coding?
For coding, it's important to focus on learning one step at a time. Start the basics, then gradually move to more advanced concepts. That makes the process smoother.
And what are the basics of coding?
The basics of coding include understanding variables, loops, conditionals, functions, and basic data structures. These are the building blocks of most programming languages.
What are the conditionals and what are the functions?
Conditionals let your code make decisions. Like, if this happens, do that. Functions are reusable blocks of code that perform a specific task, making your program easier to manage.
And what was the third thing?
The third thing is loops. Loops are code repeat actions, like running the same task multiple times until a condition is met.
By this discussion, I feel coding is complex.
It's normal to feel that way at first. The key is to break it down and practice regularly. Over time, it gets easier.
How I can get a guideline? I have no guider.
You can find guidelines through online tutorials, coding courses, or mentorship programs. They'll help you step by step.
Is YouTube helpful for it or not?
Yes, YouTube can be very helpful with tutorials and step-by-step guides for beginners. It's a great resource to follow along.
And how I can search it on YouTube?
You can search by typing specific topics, like beginner Python tutorial or how to build a website from scratch. That way, step-by-step videos.
Google.
Yes, that's a great search term. You'll find plenty of beginner-friendly videos that walk you through coding step by step.
What things you described?
Sure. You might see videos covering how to set on basic syntax, variables, loops, conditionals, and functions, all in an easy-to-follow format.
Okay. These are the basic things that are necessary for coding.
Exactly. Mastering those basics will give you a solid foundation to build.
I will try my best to do it.
That's a great mindset. It's step by step, and you'll make steady progress.
Can you become a guider for me?
I can definitely help guide you in step-by-step advice, resources, and tips. Feel free to ask anything along the way.
What are you saying?
I'm here to guide you step by step, offering explanations, resources, and answering your questions as you go. You won't be alone in the process.
Thank you so much. You give me encouragement, and this is my need.
I'm glad to hear that. I'm here to support you. Just let me know whenever you need help.
I am doing a level 2 in Rehan school system, and on my day 7 task is to make a clone of CNN clone, and I have no details about CNN clone. What will be the first step for it?
The first step is the core features you want, like news sections, videos, or live updates. Then you can plan. That will give you a clear starting point.
Is there a specific server needed or not?
For a basic clone, you can start with a simple web server, like on your computer. If you're going online, you'll need a hosting service.
Uh, I am the hosting service.
A hosting stores your website files and makes them accessible online. Popular options include platforms like Heroku, Netlify, or even traditional web hosting services.
Okay, and then what will be the second step?
The second step would be to choose a coding language and framework, like Python with Django or JavaScript with React, depending on your project's needs.
I will try my best to do this, but this is difficult for me.
That's take it step by step, and you can tutorials or guides online. You've got this.
What will be the next step for it?
The next step would be to outline the specific features you want, like user authentication or content display, and plan the pages.
Okay, thank you so much. It was a wonderful to make a discussion with you. You give me a guideline. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. I'm glad I could help. If you ever need more guidance, just let me know.
Yeah, I will be. I want to take more guideline from you. Thank you so much.